Kabaka abami n'abakyala abavuye mundu yena ensi sima kwa olunaku lwa leero akaire kano Selector. Mama akafuna brief chobo nansi nke mu katono. Ya kaida ndoza kaida za mwezi kama tutwali naye bali bakamu transfer isale mama ndana kwandulire achikirira abali ko kosefu ayandobera okogera kigambo ekyo akoba nti nkobe people with special needs. So your worship, the deputy mayor is most welcome. Mama, to the extreme left, we have the deputy mayor, the deputy speaker. Mama ndikiriza na ndule mayor wa Northern Division mu kitundu kino mwene matuli omwami Ayub. Jinja City Clerk yona yagoberera ebiteekwa okubitibwamu okubona nti programu eno eteebwa mu nkola era nga tusinziira ku pillars omusanvu ezimanyiibwa obulungi. Abakungu baife batandika omulimu ogw'okunga abantu okwenyigira mu programu eno. Ekibuga eky'Idinda kirina parishes 26 era esente zasooka okwidda nyama ow'ekitiibwa. Buli parish yasooka yafuna $7 n'ekitundu nga wona bwogayita sente dafunibwa mu site dabeera $19,500. Omulundi ogwokubiri ogwayiraku buli parish yafuna $2,25,000 era etwogerera nga buli account ya SACCO eriku $1,32,500. Wona mama w'ekitiibwa esente ezifunibwa eziri mu account za SACCO biwera obukaire 220. Abakungu baife ba technical staff
galala niba parish chiefs baba town agents baba ile bakola omulimo gw'okubona nti basomesa abantu n'okubakunga basobola okwegayita okukola SACCOs bino basobola okuba nti ba accessinga sente mu programu eno. Twairemu exercise eyo collecting data from the households abafuba okuva mu buli maka era exercise eno ebaire ekanja mumaiso yagayalamu katono naye ekanja mumaiso. Tusuubira nti wiiki eyo yotutandisa olwaleero yenaweeraku SACCOs egakuba tusobola okufuna sente. Olwaleero tusoboire kukola transaction nga bwe kyali bali kisuubirwa olwokuba nti banka gatukoba nti olwasande luno oti basobola kukola aye ngate tukalina ne challenges entonotono mu area ya data collection era tiimu yaffe ekaali mu field. Obumu ku buzibu bwetufunyewo mu challenges program eno baire nti parameters ezateebwawo abantu ebigiwa okubona nti abantu oba ekitundu kiqualifyinga edindi kizituukana bulungi na city. For instance ekikoba nti omuntu oqualifying oba household etewakubanga eri mu nnumba yaisubi nyabawo ekitiibwa ekyo kiyinza obutaba applicable mu tawuni kubanga ife amayumba g'eisubi gagiire nga gawaamu. Bwetujja mu Jinja Central ne mu bitundu ebindi tukalina amayumba gaisubi gayinza kuba ndooza mu bitundu ebindi ebikaali rural. So eyo paramita yona yaba nti ng'ebibuga tudisadvantaginga kubanga tugire nga tukendeeza amayumba g'eisubi era n'ebitundu ebindi tosobola ng'agaanayo. N'ekindi system eno eri run ono network system eya computer kyo kyona kireetawo obuzibu nti yabaawo slight breakdown mu network oba mu system kitegeeza nti nga kubaawo breakdown okusavinga abantu olisa ekireetawo ne delays oba oliawo ne frustration. So oba olwomu ku buzibuzibu w'ekitiibwa obuli mu programu aye by and large tuyikiriza nti programu eno eyinza kujaala ino mu kuyamba okusitula embeera y'abantu baffe. Webale nnyo
webale. Aye ife ni favourable Women Entrepreneurs Ladies Association Limited. Mama niwe mwene niwe petroni waife. Mama tisobola kwemerera tutya watusakiza exhibition ya East Africa gye twali titujangamu. Twasoboza abakyala bonna mu busoga be twasobola otuukako twaja tiwakomaawo mama. Twakoze demonstration farm yaife ekibibi ebudondo twatandise era twatandikire mu kulima okura nga kiri ku market ebindi so bitu frustrate nzayo sure deal mama tulina kamala tuida kwenda.
Jinja at large, I greet you all. My name is Onyu Emmanuel. I am a student leader of WW Nadiope House, Kira College Butiki. In front of you are Kira College students. This is our A-level uniform. His Royal Highness, the Iseban Tukiamazingo Busoga, WW Nadiope, William Wilberforce Kadumbola Kabola Nadiope IV. The house was commissioned on the 23rd March 2018. But this house was commissioned when it was incomplete. That is why we are having particularly the A-level students here. The house was commissioned when the A-level wing was complete and the O-level wing wasn't yet complete. So we came up with a project. The project is to complete the construction of the O-level section of WW Nadiope House. And today, we have come in front of you to present our program, our project. We have come in front of you as our mama, as the person we look up to, as our role model, as the mama we see, as the future of this country. Because of time, I would not love to speak much. Let me give in one of the students to speak more about it.
I have a poem, and the poem is entitled "The Power of a Woman." I want to talk about Lady Kadaga, a woman full of valor and honor, a woman whose voice speaks words of change into the bucket of humanity. I want to talk about Lady Kadaga. I want to talk about the daughter of Busoga, whose actions are loud, a woman full of ambition and determination, a woman that has given the country the energy, the power, the zeal to develop. I saw a mother, I saw a mentor that willed education for all and illiteracy for none. I saw an educationist. I saw a leader that advocated for democracy, a leader that lived by example. Well, I pray to the celestial being that he grants us more leaders like this. May the Heavenly Father bless this woman with more life. May every Ugandan live to see how successful the country will be with many Ugandans like this. I want to talk about Lady Kadaga. Thank you.
Agubi Samuel Waiswa, Chairperson, People with Disabilities, Buwenda Town Council, Buwenda Parish, Buwenda Ward. I'm here on behalf of the Parish Development Committee of DC area, that is Buwenda. The Parish Development Model was a program which was from top to bottom, which they just gave us without consultation, without consulting us. We have got some challenges, especially the parameters they use to call that somebody qualifies to be subsistence. The parameters are very clear, but you find that the parameters that work in Kalamoja cannot work in Wakalenge or cannot work in Buwenda. We need to change the criteria according to the area of jurisdiction. Team asks you, do you own a house? Do you drink tap water? Do you drink borehole water? Do you have clothes? Do you have shoes? Do you have a phone? All those are systems they use, which sometimes they don't assist people in the area. So we are in a loan system where this money is meant to be recovered. You must have a functional office where you keep the data and the information, because loan recovery may be a problem when you don't have those things. Government should provide a functional office in every parish where PDM is going to work with computers and a staff who is knowledgeable, who will be supervised by the town agent.
Yeah. Here in Buwenda TC Ward, we have 325 members and we have 13 enterprise groups. But we are finding a challenge that these people are like, someone is applying for the loan, but in the end, when we start filling in the information in the computer, it's like that person is not subsistence. They are telling us someone who is having a smartphone is not subsistence. People are getting loans, smartphones on loans. It doesn't mean that if I have a smartphone, yeah, I don't qualify. I do qualify because I may even be having a smartphone when it's not mine.
People who are rejected on such grounds?
Yes, people are rejected on such grounds that they have smartphones, they have TVs in their houses, people are like they are in good houses. Here in Jinja City, we don't expect to see anyone in a grand thatched house. This is Jinja City.
Attached are your PDM login credentials. What do you say? Bata play number isimu ya Regina Wanyana. Bottom password igan. Mreto musida nikola kumanda Regina chanja kukora. Mreto Regina musida ya susuliwa nga computer ni mrondamu ngomuntu yetaga Regina akakaira kalonja kakusaji
akakadda akamu ngendo kakozesa nga nnunda obusolo bwaffe kubanga nabulundako kakati nensobola okwedda mu kiyumbe kati nsaba busabi obusolo obugabo njagulako embizi njagulako ebbiri ki za sente kuba waliwo bwebeera bweti ejagula emitwalo 3 nennume naye ndigule ngenda kutambula nga sigirina naye gula 3 emitwalo 6 kati emmere naye osobola okugireeta ng'eri awo
I'm a Jinja District Chief, Jinja City Housing Finance. Jinja.
Kare, Manager Housing Finance Bank.
Jinja.
Ndikura gira, chokure balasa. Sansura Regina oyo, esentede. N'abantu abandi bona bebuweereza messages eza login.
Jinja.
Era bakwarondora Manager Housing Finance. Ndikwaita mifuko kwa gadano. Aida rondora misoka dana kanyo. Aye ndikwenda kwasaba abana kwesa sente ndikosa bulungi mugizeyo tusubira nti financial yeno abantu 10 nabanafuna sente wibonera tusubira nti omwaka ogwida mwida kulonda ekikulu ekindi kabironda ekikulu ekindi emyaka 5 gyokuwera ng'abantu 5 bafunye sente bagikozesa bagiza ndasigala mwimuruka gwaibwe bagetololera omwo n'olwekyo kiri emuli okumegashuwa sente mugikozesa daira banabadde galitabula.
Jinja City, unfortunately, the banks declined to come today. Although in Buwenda, Stanbic Bank was present, Centenary and Housing Finance, all the banks involved in PDM were all present in Buwenda, and I really want to thank them. So here we have commissioned nominally with Mawerere Wanyana. She will receive 1 million shillings. She's from the local circle here of Buwenda Parish, and I've undertaken to monitor to see that the money really reaches the beneficiaries.
fact, there's been that complaint from the city that the parameters were made for rural areas and not for the city. So we shall have to make some adjustments. But I know that even the poor of the city have their own parameters by which they can be assessed. And under the information system, it has the capacity to determine your level of income. Even it's not just the structure of your house. It has a way of determining who is eligible, and this will be done. So they will get their money.